Stop scrolling. These woodworking gadgets will blow your mind. Smart tools, crazy designs, and genius time savers you didn't know existed. This is Next Tool X, your home for the coolest gadgets on the internet. Hit subscribe now. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Paint, glue, and rust don't stand a chance against this beast. This premium ergonomic carbide scraper is built to save your time and your hands. Its razor-sharp carbide blade slices through paint, glue, varnish, even rust in seconds. The non-slip handle keeps pressure steady, so you won't gouge the surface, and it kicks up almost no dust. Way safer than chemical strippers. One tool, dozens of jobs, doors, floors, cabinets, tiles, you name it. It's faster, cleaner, and built to last. Ever try smoothing wood with the wrong tool? Total nightmare. This 25-piece precision file set fixes that. It's like having a pro workshop in your hands. You get 4 large files for big jobs, 12 micro files for detail work, sandpaper, gloves, even a wire brush, all packed in a rugged case. The teeth are forged from premium T12 steel, so they cut clean and stay sharp forever. Wood, metal, 3D prints. If it needs shaping, this set makes it perfect. You ever spend hours trying to find the exact center of a board and still miss it? This little gadget fixes that. It's a center finder that holds your pencil dead center every single time. It marks perfect offsets from 1/16 inch to 5/8 inch, has a built-in magnet so it sticks to your toolbox, and even hides a spare pencil inside. No more guessing, no more wasted wood, just perfect center lines in seconds. Ever tried holding a cabinet in place while drilling? Total nightmare, right? Meet the upgraded multifunctional jack, a game changer for DIYers and pros. This all-steel lifter can raise up to 440 pounds, adjust up to 6.7 inches with one hand, and lock in place for perfect precision. Just squeeze to lift, press to lower. It's that simple. Use it for doors, windows, cabinets, floors, anything. It saves time, saves your back, and makes you look like a pro. Tiny, but ridiculously smart, this credit card-sized multi-tool is an engineer's dream. It's a ruler, protractor, and compass all in one, packed with quick reference formulas and conversions you'd normally have to Google. Draft a blueprint, check an angle, convert inches to millimeters, right from your pocket. Stainless steel, laser-etched, built to last a lifetime. Perfect for students, engineers, and anyone who loves clever gadgets. This little card turns your pocket into a mini toolkit. Tired of tripping over wood, pipes, and random junk in your garage? These ultra-wall lumber storage racks turn wasted wall space into serious storage power. Each rack holds up to 330 pounds, perfect for lumber, skis, pipes, you name it. The heavy-duty metal frame is scratch-resistant, rock-solid, and installs in minutes with the included hardware. Suddenly, your garage looks organized, spacious, and actually usable. This is how pros keep their workshops clean. And now you can too. Crooked shelves? Not anymore. This digital level gives you perfect alignment every single time. The big LCD screen lights up automatically, so you can read angles even in a dark room. It beeps the moment you hit your chosen angle. No second guessing. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum frame and shatterproof vials, it's tough enough for any job site, but light enough to throw in your tool bag. Accurate, fast, and built to last. This is how pros get it perfectly level. Loose, crooked joints can wreck a project. And your patience. This heavy-duty, self-centering dowel jig locks your boards perfectly in place and drills dead-straight holes made from aircraft-grade aluminum. It clamps solid without flexing, and the built-in viewing window keeps every hole perfectly centered. With 6 bushings and 3 drill bits, you can crank out edge joints, T-joints, L-joints, all flush, all accurate. It's fast, repeatable, and gives you pro-level joints without the guesswork. Stop guessing your cuts. This 5-in-1 precision gauge gives you pro accuracy every time. Check drill points, chisel angles, dado depth, and router bit height, all in seconds. Set blade height 3 different ways with laser-engraved markings in metric or imperial, readable down to 1/32 inch. Made from rigid, high-quality alloy, perfect for table saws, routers, mortises, and tenons. Get flawless, repeatable results like a pro. Ever wish you had a third hand in the workshop? This MYTEC Clamp-on vise is exactly that. It clamps to almost any table. No drilling, no damage, and its 360-degree swivel lets you work from any angle. The jaws are hardened steel, tough enough for metal, wood, or plastic, but gentle on your parts thanks to rubber pads. Light, portable, and rock solid. Take it anywhere and lock down any project like a pro. Messing up hinge holes can ruin a cabinet door and your mood. This Euro Hinge Jig takes out all the guesswork. Just clamp, drill, and you get perfect 35mm hinge holes every single time. No measuring, no redos. The built-in stop collar nails the exact depth, and the indexing cams keep every hinge lined up. It works with almost any hand drill, giving you drill press accuracy without the big machine. Clean, repeatable, pro-level results, right in your own shop. Lining up cuts by eye? That's how mistakes happen. This is the Johnny Square Mach 1, the rafter square built for pros. Its smart mark cutouts let you mark studs, joists, LVLS, and posts in seconds. No measuring tape dance. Need angles? It's got slots for 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees cuts. The built-in level vial replaces your torpedo level, so you can check plumb and pitch on the spot. Solid aluminum, laser-etched, glare-free. This square gives you speed, precision, and zero excuses for crooked cuts. Ever tried tracing a weird corner and it never fits? This Fiskars Scribing Tool nails it. Twist, lock, and trace. Perfect lines and shapes every time. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, super light, and clips right to your pocket. Over 15 uses: flooring, tiling, furniture, walls. This tiny tool saves you hours. Meet the Fiskars Power Gear Super Pruner, the lopper that makes cutting 3 times easier. Its steel blade slices through dry, dead branches up to 1.25 inches thick like butter. No struggle. Rust-resistant, lightweight, and tough enough to last for years. This is how you keep your yard looking pro with zero effort. That's it for today's woodworking gadget lineup. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss the next gadget drop on Next Tool X.